What's up? It is Brandy Chanel, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and so you can join the notification gang and not miss any new videos. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. All right, y'all, it is officially, actually, Hot Girl Summer might be slowly coming to a close. We're gonna keep this Hot Girl Summer going, and we're gonna turn into a Fine Girl Fall. You know what I'm saying? So I picked up a couple items from the Patricia Bright Amazon The Drop collection, and while this collection was a limited edition, I will put the links to similar pieces in the description as well as on my blog. Items that I purchased, which is the jacket and the paper bag pants, and we're gonna take them from Hot Girl Summer to Fine Girl Fall, okay? So I'm gonna give you options on how to wear both and transition it from summer to fall. So with this suit dress, you can obviously here just wear it with these hot heeled mules that I purchased from Shein for 19 bucks, and this dress from The Drop I believe was $49, and it's super cute, and I've been wanting a suit dress forever, and this one just fit the bill. I could have probably gotten a extra small. The size that I have is a small, and for reference I am around a 4 to 6 in a dress size. I am 5'4". And to switch that just simple look over into fall, there are several different shoe options. I have these cute leopard print shoes that I purchased from Target maybe a couple seasons ago. I'm sure Target will have some coming out this fall. And also, so it can kind of give you that hourglass figure, is to add a belt to this dress style, which would be the shorts with a plain white tank top, and these are kind of cut off denim shorts. These are from Target, and the top is from Walmart, Time and True. And I just put that underneath the dress and opened it up, and I also threw a belt on it to make it just look even more, you know, snatched at the waist, and also a cute little headband to kind of accessorize the look, to kind of tie it all together. I'm really obsessed with headbands, or not headbands, with scarves this season, and also these cute earrings I'm wearing. These are also from Shein. You can never go wrong with all white. So what I did is I did that same white tank top from Time and True along with these Time and True jeggings, white jeggings, like a high waist jegging. They are so cute, and I'm not sure if they're still in Walmart, but I know they will have those jeans coming back in the fall. They were maybe like $16 to $17, super cheap. Get with the heels from Shein, the all white heels, and then I just wore the dress open, kind of like as a, you know, just something just to throw on top, and it also will look cute with the belt too. Now, to take this dress into the fall and dress it up with some over-the-knee boots, babes. That is the essential for a fine girl fall item. So these over-the-knee boots are from Goodnight Macaroon. I will leave the link to those in the description. And then I just tied a patent leather belt that I had from some other dress that I've had for years. I just tied that around the waist just to add, you know, a little different texture to the dress. So, you know, it's got the button detailing. Now you have a patent leather belt with kind of a suede over the boot, you know, giving you a little sexy for the night, you know, a little fine girl fall, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna move on to the paper bag pant. These are just so classic, and I feel like they are essential in any wardrobe, and you can obviously wear them from summer to fall. So for the summer, I just have this crop top, which is from Target. It's a white crop top, but the pants are so high waist that the paper bag part of the waist of the pants, it covers up, so you're not exposing too much skin. But if you want to show a little, you know, midsection, if you like, you can also do that as well and kind of pull the pants down a little. I love how it has this sash on the pants, so you can take the sash off, or you can keep the sash on to kind of cinch your waist in more. And just the same basic color scheme of like the white top and the tan, that goes well together. And to make that a fall look, you can do the same thing with the crop top, throw a jean jacket on top, and then do a closed toe shoe. So what I did was the leopard print closed toe shoe, and of course I still think the straw bags are gonna go transition well into fall. So I have this straw bag here from round hard straw bag here from Shein. Jacket kind of adds a little edge to the look, and I've had that jacket for years, but I got it from the Gap, and if I can find something similar, I would definitely link that in the description box as well. And last but not least are the two pieces together. So the pants were $49 and then the dress was $49. So I thought, you know, why not put them both together? Give me a little Kim Jong-un, you know what I'm saying? A little Hillary Clinton kind of suit, you know, like a monochrome, you know, menswear kind of vibe that it gave me, but I still think it's cute. So I kept that same color scheme with the white top on underneath with the dress on top. You can either wear the dress open, wear it as a dress, but with pants under it. And I found that the two-piece matchy cord is coming back. It's giving me 70s vibes, but I really like it. So I'm definitely gonna rock that this late summer into the fall. And an awesome idea was to take the sash off of the paper bag pants and tie it around the waist when you wear the dress, so it still kind of gives you that shape and it's not too boxy, because I don't really like a boxy look. I like more of a classic kind of hourglass figure. So I hope you guys enjoyed these two pieces. Again, I will leave similar items, if I can't find the exact items, in the description box for you, and the pricing and everything. And I will do some individual outfit of the day blog posts on some of these outfits too later on, so you guys can just click over to my blog anytime soon. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I will leave all the links to my socials and my blog in the description as well. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.